Hello and welcome to my tutorial, if you will, on the Ancient Shores mirror quest. First, I will say this is a timed quest, so you have maybe a minute or so, I'm not sure, 2 minutes. The other couple of things is, as you can see, my pet is not helping, but rather just obstructing my view. You might want to unequip it. And the last thing to watch out for is when you fall in the water and restart, it toggles off your running feature option, which helps you jump a little bit further. I think it's actually necessary that you have that on for some of these jumps. Basically, as you can see, I'm rotating each mirror to the one that looks like it should be the next. Once you do that, you hop to that mirror, point it in the direction. This one is kind of funny, it aims upward. You want to make sure it's aimed straight up. And we're going to get towards the end of this quest. I think we have one more mirror to, yep, that top one, we're going to have to rotate it. And it will point at some sort of crystal. There we go. Now it turns blue. And at this point, you can stop worrying about the time limit. You're pretty much free to take your time. You could fall in the water. I took the time to actually I did. I fell in the water. Go back out, then you activate the crystal, which opens up this special fishing area. And voila, quest completed. I guess that's important. It's not completed until you actually open up that area, which I'm going to show you a little bit of. Some stairs leading down. I'm going to go through there, through the bright light, and here we are. It's not the funnest special fishing area, I'll have to admit. Rather boring, honestly. But there you have it.